Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers, and guess what? It's Friday, and that means it's another episode of Page by Page, a collaboration with Kyung Shotwell. And what we're going to do today is a floating pocket, and probably most people know how to do that, and that's fine. But I thought I would do something a little bit different and use ephemera to build a floating pocket instead of just, like a book page or something like that. So what we're going to do first is we're going to ink our page. We're on page 5, and what I've done is we've gone through and we've done 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 5 goes here. So I've just taken it out to work on it. Okay, so it goes right there. And I still like our butterfly page from last week. Which it looks like something happened to the acetate on it. Nice. I'm going to have to fix it. Anyway, on a side note, it looks like it wrinkled when I folded the book. Like I said, it was a little thinner than what I wanted. So what we're going to do today is I've inked the paper, I've inked the page, and I've inked all of this ephemera, and I've got my paper clip ready to go, and I've got this lace that I used to tie onto the paper clip, and I got this lace from Lisa at Lisa's Paper Lace and Bling. And so there'll be a link to her shop below this video in case you want to get some lace. And then we've got this small ephemera here that we're going to use as well. And all of it has been inked. Yes. And the color ink we're using today is Scattered Straw. And this is like one of my new favorite colors. It's sort of a gold brown. And it isn't as gold as, what is that? Wild honey, which is really an orangey gold. This is more of a brown gold, a warmer gold, and I really, really like it. So, or a yellow brown. That sounds bad, yellow brown, but no, it's like a golden brown. Enough about the color. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to set the paper aside, and we're going to work on our page. And our page is done. I'm kidding. I might stick something down here in the corner, but when you see the floating pocket, then you're going to think, well, it takes up most of the page anyway. So that's why I picked this kind of a background. I think it goes that way. Let's just do that, because I like it better this way. Oh, and this paper is from the Shabby Daisy junk journal kit from the Journal Boat. So we're going to take these pieces of ephemera and we're going to build a pocket. I even took a picture of the pocket so I can look at it. To remember what I did when I really, really liked it. So we're going to build this so that where we overlap the ephemera, it makes a pocket. So we're going to start out with this piece here. So to make it a pocket, we're going to glue from about this line over and then up. I was going to make an altered paper clip to hold it on, but then the whole thing would seem like it was an altered paper clip project, so I didn't want to do that. Put my finger right there. Yes, these are printed on the back because they're ephemera. Just because they're ephemera. Okay. So now I want to put it about here. she says, looking at the photo on her phone, which my phone takes really good pictures. I have a new phone and I'm not that familiar with it yet. But I did realize that it takes really good photos. Okay, now this one we're going to put right about here. So that means we're going to need to glue from here down to about, this is going to be fun. You know what? I should just glue the tag. And then I'll lay the ephemera on it, and then it will make the pocket. How high up is it going to go? Okay. Let's do it that way. Okay. So now we're going to put this here. This is going to be another one of my short videos. You guys are going to love this, right? You're going to get used to it. Terry and 20. Woohoo! And then we're going to take this big one and we're going to put it across the bottom. Like this. And to make the pocket on it, we're going to put the glue down here. And I think the higher up I put it, the bigger the pocket will be. So we'll go from the bottom of the R to right above that writing there. Okay, yeah, that's a pocket. Okay, just wanted to make sure. Okay, we're going to go from the bottom of the R. We're going to go up to there. Okay. Oh, that's way too even. I like it, but I feel like it needs something. Let's see. What do I have? I have some words. Oh, we could put special delivery on here. Postcard. And I could put this little number down here. I put that little number down there. Okay, so that means, or what about this one? It's a little big, but I think I can live with it. So that means we're going to have to ink these two. That gives it a little extra something something. Because it looked a little too plain to me. There should be enough ink on here to knock the white off the edges. I just don't want to see that white around the edge of this. Very carefully. Okay. So we're going to get out our glue. Or we could say the magic words and it would stick. The magic words are, get out the glue, by the way. I think Kyung is rubbing off on me. Look at all this craziness going on. I'm not even reading from a script. It's crazy. It's madness. It's madness, I tell you. Okay. Maybe a little bit of Miss Paint-A-Lot, putting specimen cards on, little specimen numbers on things. Okay. I keep thinking this is a little string of glue, you know, like one of those little strings that comes off sometimes. What it is it's a big scratch on my cutting board because I used my little ceramic cutter and I didn't move my healing mat over it because this is a cutting board. However, ceramic will cut glass. So I etched a big line in there. Okay, so this seems to be dried up enough probably. And like I said, I've already pre-tied this. Now I'm not going to cover or do anything else to the paper clip because it's gold. I like it. Plus it's going to be seen on the other page. And I don't want the paper clip, like I said, to be an altered clip. And I don't want to worry about what it's going to look like on the back side. Okay, so let's leave that there. Let's glue this to the page. Glue our paper to our page. What is going on with this? I don't know how it can be short. I didn't cut anything off of the page. Looks a little short to me. But I didn't cut anything off. Okay. Now all we have to do is take our paper clip, attach our floating pocket onto the page, like so. Then we will take all this little ephemera and we will find little pockets. Let's see. Trying to see how low they go. This one may be too big. Oh no, there we go. That one fits in there. Then I've got all these little ones. So I can put these little ones in here. Eau de Lavender. I'm pretty sure that's lavender perfume or lavender scent of lavender. I like that one. I like that one too. Should we just jam everything in here? No. I think I'll put that in there like that, and then you can see the daisies. I really like the fact of having one bigger piece, but then you can't, well, you can when you take it out. Then you'll see it. Okay, so we'll straighten this out. We'll put this like this. And I know I've got couple of words. I think I had love and daisy. I do. And I do love daisies. So let's ink these real quick. Just to have something on the actual page. I don't know. There might be something I could have put on the page. I'm not sure what, because once you put this on, it covers up anything else you would have put on the page. Maybe a fussy cut underneath of a daisy. That might have been all right. Should we have love daisy or daisy love? I kind of like daisy love. It rhymes with baby love from the Supremes. Okay. All right, I like that. So see, I even threw something in at the end. I'm telling you, it's getting crazy around here. It's getting crazy. Look, and this is even going off the page, and I'm not freaking out. In my mind, it's screaming. Just so you know, in my mind, I'm screaming. But I am powering through. So there it is. There's our floating pocket. How do you guys like it? Do you like it? We have a little bit of ephemera left over. That's okay. Now that is a string from the glue. A great big one. Now it's going to be time for me to go eat lunch. All right. So this is Terry saying goodbye, and I will see you next week, which will be just a second for you and a whole week for me. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.